Here we have another experiment with the ceiling fan. So anyways, just for the sake of it, I decided to try it out with only 2 blades to see how it would be like after a while and whatnot. So, yeah. There are the extra 2 blades. If you're wondering what this is, some plaster dripped on it when they were repainting. When they were replastering this part of the ceiling, so yeah. And obviously this is where I used a sticker on it. Until I realized that it shouldn't, that's just... Until I realized that I didn't really want the stickers anymore because it was maturing. So the blade used to face this side down, but then when I took the stickers off, it left this on. So I flipped it around to a more cleaner side. So yeah. Anyways, I've also made the air conditioner vents point straight down, so they don't block the airflow in this anyway for more. So this way you get more accurate airflow. So anyways, I'm gonna turn it off for now. Let's start it on low. It's almost like it even moves more air than with 4 blades. You can do it in a small space like this. That's low. Yeah, for some reason that seems like it's moving more air. With just 2 blades on. Maybe it is, but maybe it's just me. I'm usual medium, even though it's exactly the same as high almost. As well. So I didn't turn back to low. I forgot to do a tissue airflow testing. Is that? Let's try with medium. And finally high, which is like almost exactly the same as medium. Actually seems like it's even faster in medium than high. This animation made on my living room was the same problem. That's interesting. Let's look around. For some reason it does actually seem like it's moving more air. Could be because could have to do with being in a small space. And 4 blades moving. 4 blades, like, I don't know exactly what it could be, but it sure seems like it. Yeah, that's weird. I'm gonna turn this back on, it's getting hot. And wait, I'll show you the spin down. Turn this back on as well. Long spin down even with 2 blades. This fan's got some good bearings. Anyways, there you have it, guys. Actually, one more. I'm gonna show you how I start out. Well, actually, sorry. I'm gonna start at a medium because medium actually seems to go faster than high for whatever reason. See? Anyways, there you have it, 520.